Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix Messenger could not send the message problem or Messenger not sending message using Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store and search for Messenger. If you found any available update for your Messenger application, then update it. In my case, there is no update available. Once it is completed, go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and find out apps. Search for Messenger. Open it. Tap on force stop, tap OK. Tap clear cache, tap clear data, tap OK or delete. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Messenger application. Log into your account. Now send a message to someone else. I hope your problem will be fixed. If this method not working for you, then go ahead with the next method. Open your Play Store and search for 1.1.1.1 plus WARP. Install this application. After completing the installation process, open the application. And turn on the connection. Now try to send a message to someone else. This time I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then you need to contact Messenger Help and Support Center. To contact them, there is a link in the description. Just type your problem and tell them about it. That's it. Thanks for watching.